Hey, Susan Berkley here with the Inside Voiceover video training blog. And this week I want to talk about something that is a little bit of a disturbing trend. It was brought to my attention by one of our subscribers here at Inside Voiceover at greatvoice.com. And she was saying that two of her e-learning clients were asking her to produce 2 to 3 days worth of work in 24 hours. And she was all dejected. And I said, wait a minute. This e-learning is a huge market. There's a $165 billion market. That means there are a lot of customers, a lot of e-learning work being done out there. And not everyone is requiring crazy turnaround time, which would have almost required her to stay up all night and do the work. But I got some news for you. We as voice talent today are becoming more of a commodity. What does that mean? Well, that means that on voices.com, there's 200,000 voice talents registered. I don't know if they're all actually doing voiceovers, but that means if you're the client, if you're the customer, you've got a lot of choices. And if you can find people that'll do the work with a crazy turnaround time, well, heck, you'd be foolish not to take advantage of it. But does that mean that all is lost for you as the voice talent? No. You got to realize that market forces have shifted. So there are ways to work around this. You can position yourself as the more luxury brand, for example. But you've got to give them a reason why you might be taking a little bit longer, which will be quality. And the number one way to do that is to tighten up your relationship with your customers and your prospects. All selling is relationship. So that's it. I'm Susan Berkley, back next week with more Inside Voiceover.